Yes, students, uh, class 10 students. Now, subject science or chapter number 4. Chapter name is carbon and its compounds. Carbon and its compounds. So, children, first we will start with introduction. Okay. So, in chapter number 3, we have studied about metals and non-metals. Okay. One of the most important non-metal is carbon, right, children? So, children, see, and the symbol is C. To see this chapter is carbon and its compound. Okay. Now, first syllabus according to the 2020-21. First, know the syllabus content. Number 1 is in this according to this topic is bonding in carbon compounds. Okay, and covalent bonding in carbon compound. Second, versatile nature of carbon in carbon compounds. And third one is homologous series. So this is a recent latest content as per C 2020-21. Now we will take up one by one. So children, before starting, these are the 3 topics. So before starting these topics, first we will start with the introduction of this. Okay, introduction. So as I told you, in chapter 3 we have studied about metals, non-metals, and one of the most important non-metal, that is a carbon, and the symbol is C, atomic number 6, and so this 2 4, right? This is a K cell, this is L cell. Okay, when we see that diagrammatically, right, 2 electron and 4, this is the outer valence electron is 4. So this is information about the carbon. Now children, what is carbon and its compounds, right? So in word, this branch is known as organic chemistry. Okay, so what is organic chemistry? It is a study of hydrocarbon and its derivatives. One line, what is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry is a study of hydrocarbon and its derivatives. This is a concept of so one line, carbon and compounds is also known as organic chemistry. It is a branch of chemistry also. Now, according to the introduction, so what is organic chemistry? First, what are organic compounds? Clear? So children, see this. This is a living system. First, when we see living system of the universe, living system of this universe. Okay, living system of the universe. Okay, so in this system, what are human being, plant and insects, all right, birds, etc. So they are all the part of this living system of this universe. Human being, plants, insects, birds, and etc. Okay, so children, means a human being is made up of carbon compounds, plant is made up of carbon compounds, insects, birds, they are also made up of carbon compounds. So one line, living system means a living system of this universe is made up of carbon compounds. This is a one point. Now next we are going to talk about this is about of universe. Next point we are going to study, children, that is another example we are seeing. So this living system, they consume, children, living system consume or use in daily life. Okay, what they are? Number 1, variety of food. So food, normally when you see, when you feed, what are the contents of the food? They may be the cereals, grain, pulses, fruits, vegetables, sugar, coffee, tea, and etc. Children. So variety of food. Number one, because living systems like a human being, okay, consume or use daily in life, okay. So variety of food we use: coffee, sugar, tea, this grain, pulses, fruit, vegetables, fat and oils, etc., chocolates, whatever, and red. So children, they are all made up of organic compound. They are all made up of carbon compound. So right. So second, variety of food. Second, we use a cloth also. Cloth may be terraline. Okay, cloth may be form of cotton, wool. Okay, terraline, cotton, wool, right? So this is a made of cotton. Cloths are made up of these, right? Terraline. So children, they are also made up of carbon compounds. Means terraline, cotton, wool, they are also made up of carbon compounds, right? So children, this is a point about this. Cotton, wool, nylon also, in nylon rope, nylon cloth, nylon tracksuits. So they are all made up of carbon compound. Next, we use the dye. Dye means color. It gives color to our hair also. So what is the purpose? To beautify the fabric and brighten the fabric or hair also. So children, dye we use in hair to color the hair, to color the fabric, colors, cloth, and also. So children, what is the purpose? To beautify and brighten the content. Okay. So these are about the dye. Now next we use a fuel. So children, first consume in form of this. Again, consume or use in a variety of food, cloth, and dyes. They are all made up of carbon compounds. Okay children, because all these we use in our daily life. Clear? Now next point we are going to take, that is fuel. Okay students, it's a living system, and you consumption or use, and in terms of fuel. So student, fuel, what is the purpose of fuel? To cooking, in cooking system, in cooking purposes, or fuel is used to run vehicles like motorcycle, automobiles, whatever. Okay. So children, what are the constituent of fuel? Yes, coal, kerosene, okay, petrol, right? Petrol, diesel, or gasoline, right? So children, they are the fuel. Or another fuel, what is the purpose? We use in domestic cooking purposes. To run vehicle, we use LPG. Okay, we use LPG gas, liquefied petroleum gas, CNG gas, natural gas. Okay, to run vehicle, petrol and diesel, and rocket fuel also, and transport fuel also. Okay. So children, these fuels are here I would like to speak concluding like what are the fuel? Means these are the fuel we use. This is the purpose. This is the purpose of the fuel, and these are the chemicals: liquefied petroleum gas, compressed natural gas, and petrol, and yes, diesel also, because they are all made up of carbon compounds. Okay. Now next we are going to use, so this is for fuel. Next point children is very important, means the material we use for cleanliness. Okay, so we use the soap and detergents. Okay, soap and detergents. So they are also made up of carbon compounds. Cleanness, okay. In medicines, what is the role of medicines? We use medicines, or a medicine protect us from disease and ailments. Okay, so in the medicines, what antibiotics, antibiotics, analgesic we use. Okay, and means here I want to say कि antibiotic, antibiotics, analgesic, or whatever, right, sweetening agent, antioxidant. So they are all made up of organic compounds. Means soaps and detergents and medicines, they are made up of organic compounds. Okay, children. So children, this is about this. Now children, suppose in my hand it is made up of plastic, right, and normally we use paper, we use plastic, paper, and it has a great significance in our daily life living. Okay, plastic, paper, right, or these are the substance, rubber and leather. Okay, so plastic, paper, rubber and leather, they are all made up of carbon compounds. Simple, they are all made up of carbon compound. Means, okay, so children, point number 1, fuel, medicine, living system. Okay, or medicine, fuel, okay, paper, what are they? So what do we see in our surrounding? Normally they are all made up of carbon compounds. So this is a introduction of this. Now next we are coming towards how can we test the presence of carbon. Okay, so how can we test? Okay, children, so test of carbon in form of CO2. Okay, so simple, take any material. Okay, you burnt in presence of air, it will produce carbon dioxide gas. This, on burning, it is colorless and odorless. Okay, gas, CO2 gas, carbon dioxide. Now when we bring this carbon dioxide gas with lime water, this carbon dioxide gas with lime water means calcium hydroxide, it turns milky due to calcium carbonate. So this is a material, it also contains carbon. Okay, so in this way we can detect the presence of carbon. Okay, when any material burnt in presence of air, it produces carbon dioxide and the nature is colorless and odorless. Now when this CO2 gas bring in the contact of lime water, so this lime water turns milky and that material contains carbon, and it is also made up of carbon compounds. Carbon, okay, it contains carbon. Okay, so this was our test of carbon. Now next we are coming towards occurrence of carbon and CO2. So children, this is a earth. Okay, this is a earth. Well, and the percentage of carbon in the earth is 0.02%. This is a percentage of carbon. Okay, now above the surface, above the earth this is the atmosphere. The percentage of carbon dioxide in atmosphere is also atmosphere है, this is, and the CO2 percentage is 0.03%. This is, I am telling general data. Okay, it may vary from place to place, area to wise area. Okay, so this is generally we are speaking atmosphere, the CO2 level. Well, the percentage is very low. Okay, well, it has a great importance. The CO2 has a great importance in our life, daily life, to run our life. Okay, so this is about occurrence and CO2. Okay, children, so see this, we have so in introduction part we have studied कि all living system, okay, living system contains human, or they are made of carbohydrate. Okay, carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, minerals. This is a living system is made of carbohydrate, minerals, proteins, fat, with nucleic acid, etc. Okay, so they are all made up of carbons, fuels, okay, and many items, cleanliness items, okay, and they are all medicines, children. So they are all made up of carbon compounds. And next is the occurrence of carbon in earth crust. The percentage is very low. In the CO2 in atmospheric level, percentage is very low. Okay, it has a great importance. Okay, so children, after this we are moving towards the topic, and the topic name is covalent compound. Okay, so this covalent bonding in carbon compounds. Okay, so this topic we will study in next video. Okay, children, so in next part 2 video we will study bonding in covalent compound. Bonding in covalent compound, yeah, covalent bonding in carbon compounds. Okay, children, thank you children.